Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Adekunle Ifeoluwa. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. So yes guys, on today's video I'll be showing you how I transform from that to this stunning beauty, and I hope you really enjoy this video. I'll be showing you the method, the process and everything I used. And if this is what you want to see, kindly keep on watching. Hello guys, you're welcome back again, and this is my bare face. And to start, I'll be starting with this classic mattifying primer. I'll be using this on my T-zone and all around my face. Places I get oily, I'll be applying it there. And after, I'll be going into this Mismetic Power Seal. It's a sweat and oil tonic. I use it on my T-zone to prevent oil and also sweat. Then after this, I'll let it dry and move into my foundation. For my foundation, I'm using the Milani foundation in number 14. That's the darkest shade and it's like my perfect match. And so guys, I'm applying this with a damp beauty blender, and you can see I make sure I am done with a part of my face before moving to the next aspect of my face. And also guys, I would like you to get a foundation shade that matches your skin exactly, because right now you can't see the difference between my forehead and the rest of my face because the foundation is my exact shade match. So please, let's try to get our shade match. And after this, I'll be going into my concealer. That's the LA Pro Conceal in Toast and Fun. Yes, I'll be using Toast on the outer sides of my face, and that is what I am doing here. And after that, I'll be using Fun at the center. So I'll be using Fun. It's like two shades together. I'm still using Toast. Then yes, I'm applying Fun here. Fun is a little bit lighter, so by the time I'm blending, it makes blending very easy. Blending, the colors will be able to go into each other. I mean, the Toasts and my foundation will blend into each other, but my under eyes will still be bright. I don't know if we get it. It's like two shades together, but you mix them together so that you can get a perfect blend, and that is what I am trying to achieve here. And also for LA Pro Concealer, you can wait for 2 to 3 minutes before blending it out. It makes the consistency thicker and it makes it fuller. It gives a fuller coverage. I'll just be taking the little bit I have left on my beauty blender and applying it on my chin. So that is what I'm doing here, just to accentuate that part. And now I'll be going into my blush. For my blush, I used my classic lipstick in chocolate. That shade is very beautiful for dark skin, and that's what I applied on the apple of my cheeks and around my forehead, a little bit on my nose too. And after this, I'll be setting my look with this Milani powder. So I'll just be setting my under eyes with that Milani powder in deep. My shade is deep, and I'm using a brush to do that. You can also use a wedge or use a blender to apply that. Then once I am done with this, but I'm actually still applying it with my brush, I'm applying the Milani powder in deep. And after this, I'll be applying it on the places I try to highlight at my chin. So we'll be moving up into my blush, and I'm using the blush in Lady V blush sets. I'm using color orange and a dark orange. If you notice, that color orange has its pan. And I'll be going into the Milani Fit Me powder in Truffle. Yes, it is a dark powder. I'll be using that all around my face. So I'll be setting the inner corners of my face, my T-zone, with my Milani in deep, and I'll be setting all around my face with the Maybelline powder in Truffle. And after I am done setting, I will spray my face. And after I am done spraying my face and it has dried, I'll be going into my setting powder, and I'm using the Beauty by AD setting powder. Yes, I've forgotten the shade, but I think it's this toning. Yes, I think it's the third shade. That is what I'm using to bake and set the rest of my face. So I just be putting a little on my chin so that it does not make it so difficult to blend that. And now it's time for my brows. Yes, for my brows, I brush off first with my mascara wand, and I'm going with this pencil. It is a new pencil, the Milai pencil, and I love it. It's actually very easy in applying your eyebrows. Like, it blends smoothly and it glides smoothly. So I'll be doing my first outline and afterwards my second outline. So guys, remember, when trying to draw your eyebrows, make sure you are not too hard with your pencil. You're not too hard on your pencil. Try to be as light as possible in drawing your strokes, in drawing your outline. Then make sure you brush. When you brush, it makes it very easy for everything to glide together. So right now I'll be concealing my brow bones with my fawn. Yes, I'll be using the fawn under the brow bones. And for the beginning of my brows, I'll be using the shade in Toast. So just to give it the natural feel. I'll be doing the same thing here. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to drop your comments. So right now I am done concealing with my concealer, and I'll be blending it out with a flat brush here, and that is what I am doing. So I'm blending it out, and once I am done blending it out, I would set it with a powder. Yes, and I used my setting powder, the Beauty by AD powder that I used just to set under. You don't want that place to be too oily. Yes, so that's what I'm basically doing here. And once I am done with this part, I'm going into my bronzer. I'm using the Morph bronzer in Prodigy. Yes, in Prodigy. And yes, I'll be using that on my nose just to accentuate my pointed, the contoured nose I want to achieve. And I'll also be using that shade on the crease of my eyes just to give it a nice transition color. And I like the brown it actually gives me, so that is why I use it. So I'll be using my brush to apply that. And once I'm done, I'm going into my Morph eyeshadow palette. I'm really confused on what shade to use, but I settled for that one. And yes, I'll be applying it on my eyelids. This eyeshadow palette is actually very nice. I don't need an eyeshadow primer because it just glides smoothly. And I'll be applying it also on my other eyelid. And once I am done, I'm going into this eyeshadow palette. I'm going with the black just to accentuate my outer V and make sure it gives me that perfect illusion of a raised eyes that I want. Now I'll be going into my eyeliner, and I'm using the Lady V eyeliner. It's a dark shade. Yes, I'm just using it to just line my eyes and give out that dark cat eyes that I want. I'll be doing the same to the other eyes. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into my mascara. Yes, I prefer to use my mascara before applying my false eyelashes. So here I am brushing my lashes with the mascara. And for the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline mascara. Very nice, super affordable too. Then yeah, I was just vibing. Right now I decided to use a liquid eyeliner in color white, and I was trying to be very careful. Even I made some mistake, but it was not so obvious. I just lined the top of my black eyeliner. It looked good, so I tried it on the other eyes and it looked perfect. I think I liked the way it came out. Yeah, so once I am done with that, I brush up the excess powder under my eyes. Yeah, just dust it off, and I set my face with the Mismetic setting spray, the Silhouette setting spray. And right now I am lining my lips. I'm using the same brow pencil for my lips. It also doubles as a lip liner. So I'm using the brown shade, and I'm going into this Milani lip stain in Adorable. I use this as my base most of the time. Yes, so I'm trying to blend that all up together. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into my favorite gloss. That's the Zickel Nude Lip Glosses. I'll be using the brown first to accentuate the other brown I have done on my lips. Then once I am done with that, I'll go into a nude shade. And I really love this lip gloss, guys. So this is a nude shade I'm going into, and it's just perfect. Like, It just gives me the perfect nude lips. Yes, and now I'll be going into my wing eyelashes to fix my eyelashes. There's this hack I saw on TikTok and I tried it here, and oh my god, it was an epic fail. It was so bad. I closed my eyes, did not do anything. I just had to just do the normal one, and I just fixed my eyelashes the normal way I would actually do it on a normal random day. So once I'm done placing my eyelashes there, I'll place it on my other eyes, and just like they say, eyelashes makes a whole lot of difference. I'm trying to press them together with my natural eyelashes. And now that is a highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter. Now we don't use powder highlighter anymore, we use liquid highlighter, so that you can feel the glow from inside. It will give you that liquid glow. Yes, so I applied it on the apple of my cheeks and the center of my nose, and also on my forehead, just to give me that beautiful look. And now I'm going into my spray. That's the Faraguchi finishing spray. I had to close my eyes and cover my eyes, because if this spray should touch my eyes, it will feel like I glued my eyes together. Yes, so this is the finished look, guys. Like, so nice. You can see that the skin, everything matches together, everything is perfect. Like, I looked so good. And yes, I was literally feeling myself here, and I hope you also like the look. Yeah, so guys, I felt like my shoulders were bare and they just looked just bare. I decided to oil it with this Royale Glow oil, so it just gave me a nice glow, yes, on my shoulders, and I just really love this. So I'm doing that to the other side of my shoulders. I'm oiling it up, and yes, I just like the glow. Then this is the final look. Yes, and this hairstyle was giving. I actually made a video of this hairstyle on my YouTube short, so check it out. And now we have come to the end of this look. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comments. Till the next time we see. Bye.